Introducing the AIMCO AUET-100 Torque Tester, a versatile and reliable tool designed to accurately measure torque values ranging from 10.0 to 100.0 in lb. Engineered by AIMCO, this advanced torque tester combines precision and ease of use, making it an indispensable asset for various assembly and quality control applications. With a broad measurement range of 10.0 to 100.0 in lb, the AUET-100 Torque Tester caters to a multitude of fastening tasks, ensuring accurate and consistent torque readings. It offers 4 distinct modes of processing torque signals, including peak, first peak, track, and pulse, allowing users to capture and analyze torque data based on their specific requirements. The inclusion of a repeatable joint simulator enables users to achieve consistent and reliable torque measurements, minimizing variations and enhancing overall accuracy. The AUET-100 Torque Tester provides users with the flexibility to select from 8 available engineering units, accommodating various measurement preferences and industry standards. The onboard statistical calculations feature simplifies data analysis. It offers X-bar, standard deviation, CP, and CPK calculations, allowing users to assess process capability and identify improvement areas. Elevate your torque measurement capabilities with the AIMCO AUET-100 Torque Tester. Its broad torque range, multiple processing modes, and user-friendly features make it an essential tool for assembly and quality control professionals. Invest in the AUET-100 and experience precision, versatility, and reliability in torque testing.